Hello, welcome to Live Polarix again. Thank you for watching again, Unitron and Polarix fans and the other telescope fans if you're new. So I'm a long time ago. I bought my first my 4-inch telescope up here, and in this box is something very special and never been opened, and maybe the first time and maybe the first time in 30 years of maybe 40 years never been opened, and I'm gonna open. This is the good time to open it, so see you soon. If you want to know what's in here, don't miss this show, I can tell you. See you soon after this commercial. Hello, welcome to my show again, the Live Polarix show. Today, now we're gonna open this. So this is the box. This is for my 4-inch. Oh, I will show you my 4-inch telescope now. I haven't seen my other film if you want to. It's a very rare telescope, I can tell you. This is for my 4-inch telescope. Also never been used, looks like, so. And I still have to put it on, so maybe you do it next time you do it. Put this, let's put them here. Let's see, let's put them here. So, in here, it says on here, let's say, adjustment screws, says here. Latitude adjustment screws. This for my 4-inch telescope parts. This one, I put in here, this one you can see. This one is very rare. Never been opened, never been touched, unopened. Maybe for 40 or 30 years. Let me know the comments, or show me your comments. Have you ever seen this telescope part? It's very rare. Never been opened. I'm gonna open this, so. And this is also from a 4-inch telescope. Looks like new, never been used. Also this, look at this, screws, wow. Wow, I'm super happy. Look at this, that's new. Better than this you cannot get, huh? Wow. Okay, also little screws. Rubbers like new. Huh, unbelievable, you know? Those things. Yeah. Wow. Unbelievable. But the big moment is this. Oh, this is the good time to open it. I always thinking what's in here. So the final moment. Let's open it if we can open it. Here you go, guys. Oh, wow. Let's go. Speaking it. Ooh, let's show it. Here you go, guys. The first time. Oh. Now it's the empty, you guys. Wow. Hey, look. There's a Unitron screw. Oh, it's so stuck with it. I cannot do using it. Wow. New the screw knob. Wow. It's new, huh? Look at this. It still has green paint on here. You can see? Wow. This screw is funny, I've never seen this screw. Have you seen this Unitron screws? Let me know it, yeah? This is the first time I see these screws. Not a Unitron, I've never seen these screws. Wow, 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 wow. Look a little bit. Oh, it's so tiny screw I see. Tiny. Wow. I cannot open this. Wow. Is it from a factory? Or is it my fault that I did that? Oh, is it from the factory? Maybe somebody tried it very fast, hard. Wow, as new, eh, guys? Need the screws. Unbelievable. Flat screw. I never seen a flat screw actually like this. A flat screw. Those are two screws with the green on it, green paint, and the telescope thing, and a few things in here. So yeah, well. Now, thank you for looking again at Live Polarex, and till next time, there is only one channel with Polarex and telescope and Unitron telescopes. That is me. So, see you next time, you guys. Bye bye. Okay. Hey. Want to open it. It's never been opened. First time. I cannot believe this. I'm going to open this today. This is the time to open it. It's from my 4-inch telescope part. So if you want to know what's going to open it, I can tell you. Maybe I'm the only one who have this telescope part.